Hi, welcome to our world. My name is Moreno. I'm the founder of Elyon Home Improvement and Cleaning. This is Daniel Nugrad, CEO of this company. We believe that a clean and beautiful home is the foundation of a happy life.
At Elyon Home Improvement and Cleaning, our dedicated team is both skilled and passionate about transforming spaces in the interior and exterior of your home. We will make certain your kitchens and bathrooms are spotless. We use eco-friendly products because we care about our planet just as much as we care about your home. Fingerprints on your windows? We clean windows inside and out. Does your chandelier need cleaning? We have you covered. Do you have pets? Finding dog and cat fur in hard-to-find places is no problem. Outside the home, power washing is one of our specialties. We'll power wash your siding as well as your patio and walkways. While we're at it, we'll make sure your gutters are nice and clean. If you have a garden area that needs to be tended to, put us to work. If you're looking to remodel your home or tackle that home repair project you've been putting off, Elyon Home Improvement and Cleaning is here to help. We pride ourselves on our commitment to quality, reliability, and customer satisfaction. Call us at 475-204-8367 or 860-946-3665. We are the Elyon Home Improvement and Cleaning family.
We are here to serve you.